Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hi, everyone. It is so wonderful to be here with you today. I am very happy to talk to all of our listeners again.
I am happy too, Paul. How are you today? You look very happy.
I am great, thank you. I have my favorite tea, the sun is shining, and we are talking about a fun topic. It is a good day.
That is true. It is a very good day. And you, listeners, how are you? We hope you are doing fantastic.
Yes, we love having you here. Before we start our chat about the weekend, we have a small request.
Oh, yes. If you like our podcast, please click the like button right now. It is a big help for us.
And please subscribe to Mr. English Channel. When you subscribe, you don't miss our new episodes. We want to help you learn English every week.
And one more thing, share this video or podcast with your friends. If your friends want to learn English, they can listen to our stories too.
Yes, sharing is caring. Okay, Emily, I am ready. Our topic today is your weekend.
I love this topic. The weekend is my favorite time of the week. Saturday and Sunday are so special.
They are. We have time to relax, time to see friends, and time for our hobbies.
Exactly. So, Paul, let's start with Saturday. What did you do last Saturday?
Well, on Saturday morning, I woke up quite early. I like the morning. It is very quiet.
Oh, Paul, I like to sleep on Saturday. I wake up late.
I know. Many people like to sleep, but I like to see the sun come up. First, I went to my garden.
You have a garden? That is lovely. What do you have in your garden?
I have many things. I have some small tomato plants. They are very green right now. I have some flowers too, red flowers and yellow flowers.
Oh, I love yellow flowers. Are they difficult to grow?
A little bit. I give them water every morning. On Saturday, I spent 2 hours in the garden. I pulled out the bad grass, weeds.
Ah, yes, weeds. They are not friendly plants.
No, they are not, but it is good exercise. My back was a little tired after, but I felt happy. It is nice to be outside with the plants and the birds.
I agree. Nature is very peaceful. Did you go for a walk after the garden?
No, I didn't. After the garden, I was very hungry. So I made a big breakfast. I had eggs, toast, and some fruit.
That sounds delicious. I love a big breakfast on the weekend.
It was. And then in the afternoon, I did something very fun. I went for a hike in the woods.
A hike? Wow. Was it a long hike?
Yes, it was about 3 hours. The trees were very tall and very green. I saw a small river, too. The water was very clear and cold.
That sounds so beautiful, Paul. I want to go there.
You should. It is very good for the heart. What about you, Emily? What did you do on Saturday?
Well, I did something very different. I decided to try a new hobby.
A new hobby? Oh, tell me more. What is it?
I tried to paint a picture.
Painting? Wow, Emily, that is amazing. Are you a good artist?
No, Paul, I am not a good artist yet. I'm a beginner. Just like our listeners are learning English, I am learning to paint.
That is great. What did you paint?
I went to the park. I took my paper, my brushes, and my paints. I sat under a big tree. I tried to paint the lake in the park.
A lake? That is a big project for the first time.
Yes, it was difficult. Water is hard to paint. I have blue paint, but the lake is not just blue. It's green and gray and even a little bit white.
Yes, that is true. Did you finish the painting?
Not really. It looks a little bit strange. But I had so much fun. I listened to the children playing and the dogs barking. It was a very happy afternoon.
That is the most important part. Having fun is better than a perfect painting.
Exactly. And after the park, I went to a small market near my house. They have very nice things there.
Oh, I like markets. What did you buy?
I bought some local honey. It is very sweet. And I bought a big purple candle. It smells like lavender.
Ah, lavender is very relaxing. I like that smell too.
Yes, I went home and I lighted the candle. I read a book for 1 hour. It was a perfect Saturday evening.
It sounds very calm. My Saturday evening was a bit more busy. I met my friend, Mark.
Oh, I know Mark. He is very funny. Where did you go?
We went to a small restaurant. We ate pizza. I had a pizza with many vegetables. Mark had a pizza with extra cheese.
Mark loves cheese.
Yes, he does. We talked for a long time. We talked about work, and we talked about our families. It is good to spend time with friends.
It is. Friends make the weekend better. So that was Saturday. What about Sunday, Paul? Sunday is a very special day for you, right?
Yes, Emily. Sunday is my favorite day. For me, Sunday is a day for God.
That is nice. What do you do on Sunday morning?
I go to church. I go every Sunday. It is a very important part of my life.
That is interesting. Why is it important to you?
Well, at church, I feel a lot of peace. I'm a Christian, so I believe that Jesus is my Savior. I think it is important to take time to say thank you to Him.
That is a very beautiful way to think. What happens at your church?
We sing songs together. I like the music. It makes me feel very happy. And then the pastor talks. He talks about the Bible and how we can be good people.
Do you see your friends there too?
Yes, many of my friends go to the same church. After the service, we always talk. We ask, "How are you?" And we help each other if someone is sad.
It sounds like a big family.
It is. It really is. I believe that Jesus is the only way to have a relationship with God. He is the Savior, and He loves everyone. Knowing this gives me a lot of hope for the week.
I can see that you are very happy when you talk about it, Paul.
I am. It is the foundation of my life. Even when things are hard, I know I'm not alone.
That is a very good message. Thank you for sharing that with us, Paul.
You are welcome, Emily. I think it is important to talk about the things we love. What about you? Do you go out on Sunday?
Yes, I usually visit my family on Sunday. I went to my grandmother's house last Sunday.
Oh, your grandmother. How is she?
She is very well, thank you. She is 85 years old, but she is very strong, and she is a fantastic cook.
Grandmothers always make the best food.
Yes, we made a cake together, a chocolate cake.
I love chocolate cake. Was it hard to make?
No, because my grandmother knows everything. She said, Emily, you need 3 eggs, you need 2 cups of flour, and you need lots of chocolate.
That is a good recipe.
It was. We mixed everything in a big bowl. Then we put it in the oven. The whole house smelled like chocolate. It was wonderful.
Did you eat the cake while it was warm?
Yes, we had the cake with some tea. We sat in her kitchen and she told me stories about when she was a little girl.
Wow, stories from the past are so interesting.
They are. She told me about her school and her first job. I learned many things. Family time is so precious.
I agree. It is important to listen to our older family members. They have a lot of wisdom.
They do. After the cake, I helped her in her house. I cleaned the windows and I helped her with her computer.
Computers can be difficult for grandmothers.
Yes, she wanted to see photos of my painting from Saturday. She said, Emily, this lake looks like a blue potato.
Blue potato. Oh no.
I know. I laughed so much. She is very honest, but it was a very happy day. I went home on Sunday evening feeling very loved.
That is a perfect weekend. You had art, you had nature, you had shopping, and you had family.
And you had your garden, a hike, a good meal with a friend, and your time at church.
Yes, it was a very full weekend for both of us. Even though we did different things, we both had a good time.
Exactly. That is the beauty of the weekend. You can choose what makes you happy.
That is true. Well, Emily, we should remember the main points of our talk for our listeners.
Good idea. Let's think. We talked about Saturday hobbies. I tried painting, and you worked in your garden.
Yes, and we talked about being active. I went for a hike in the woods to see the trees and the river.
And don't forget the food. We both ate very well. Pizza for you and chocolate cake for me.
Yes, the food was great. And we talked about people. Spending time with friends and family is very important for a happy weekend.
And you shared about your Sunday morning at church. You explained that Jesus is your Savior and that church is a place of peace for you.
Yes, it is my favorite part of the week. It helps me start the new week with a positive heart.
And I learned that my painting looks like a potato.
A blue potato. We must remember that.
Oh, Paul, it was so nice to talk about these stories with you.
I enjoyed it too, Emily. Talking in English is a great way to share our lives.
It is. And now we want to hear from you, our wonderful listeners.
Yes. Please tell us in the comments, what did you do last weekend?
Did you go to the park? Did you see your family? Did you cook something delicious?
Or maybe you tried a new hobby like Emily. Tell us. We love to read your stories.
Writing in English is very good practice for you. Don't worry about mistakes. Just try.
Yes, remember what Emily says, mistakes are just part of learning.
Exactly. And if you enjoyed this episode, please don't forget to share it with one friend today.
And give us a like and subscribe if you haven't yet. It helps us a lot.
Thank you so much for listening to Mr. English Channel today. We are so happy to be part of your English journey.
Yes, thank you everyone. You are doing a great job. Keep practicing.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye everyone.
Bye-bye.